I was today years old when I learned about Indian agate, and I can confidently tell you that it is not an agate at all. Indian agate is actually a trade name, and this stone is more of a jasper than it is an agate. I have to look at some crystal science, but I promise only for a brief moment. What jaspers and agates do have in common is they are both a form of chalcedony, which is a type of microcrystalline quartz. The difference between these two minerals is transparency. So jaspers are very opaque in nature and agates tend to be more translucent or transparent. What do those words even mean? If something is opaque, that means light cannot pass through it. If something is translucent or transparent, that means light has the ability to pass through it to some degree. Something which is unique to agates is not only are they translucent or transparent, they also have these really cool concentric banding patterns, like this one down here. Jaspers do not have this feature, and instead they have a multitude of colors due to different mineral inclusions and irregular patterning. This is not correct, this picture, because bumblebee jasper is not a jasper at all. It's a travertine calcite. I've done a whole other video on that. Technically, this also means we can't call moss agate if you're going to go by the crystal classification terms. However, it's something that we all know and it becomes so ingrained in our vocabulary. This also applies to what some people are calling Indian agate, and Indian agate is more of a jasper than it is an agate at all. Some people also refer to this material as sea jasper. I personally prefer multicolor jasper because I think you can get confused with ocean and sea jasper, like they're both bodies of water. That is my 2 cents on Indian agate. Make sure you share this with a friend and comment below if this helped you in any way.